Have you ever wondered what it's really like to live like a legend? With a net worth of $650 million, a stunning mansion, a collection of luxury cars, and a brand new song dedicated to her late husband, Dolly Parton's lifestyle is as fascinating as her career. But behind the glitz and glam, does loneliness still linger in the life of the country music queen? Hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and let's dive into the world of Dolly Parton. And stick around because we're uncovering some surprises you won't want to miss. Dolly Parton's rise to fame is the kind of story that feels like a country song come to life. Starting with nothing but a dream and a guitar, she climbed to the top of the music world with pure talent and relentless determination. Born in a one-room cabin in Tennessee, she wrote her first songs as a little girl and moved to Nashville right after high school, determined to make it big. Her breakthrough came in the late 1960s when she joined the Porter Wagoner Show, and soon her solo career skyrocketed with hits like Jolene and Coat of Many Colors. Over the decades, Dolly became not just a country music icon but a global superstar, amassing a staggering net worth of $650 million. Her wealth comes from multiple sources: her timeless music catalog, Dollywood theme park, movie appearances, book sales, and smart business investments that have made her one of the most successful self-made women in entertainment. With that kind of fortune, Dolly's real estate portfolio is nothing short of spectacular. She owns multiple luxurious properties, including her main residence, a breathtaking estate in Brentwood, Tennessee. The 10,000-square-foot mansion, nestled on an expansive estate with rolling green hills, is a true Southern dream. It features grand chandeliers, hand-carved wood details, and walls lined with platinum records. A walk through her house feels like stepping inside a country fairy tale, complete with a home studio where she has recorded some of her biggest hits. Beyond Tennessee, she owns homes in Los Angeles and a private retreat in the Smoky Mountains, where she escapes when she wants to be surrounded by the beauty of her childhood home. When it comes to her lifestyle, Dolly spares no expense. She is known for her love of luxury, especially when it comes to her iconic fashion. Her wardrobe is filled with custom rhinestone-studded outfits, designer shoes, and extravagant wigs, all of which define her signature look. And let's talk about her love for cars. Dolly's garage boasts a collection of luxury rides, including a stunning Cadillac Escalade, a sleek Porsche, and her personal favorite, a classic 1997 Cadillac d'Elegance, which she fondly calls her Dollymobile. Despite her fame and wealth, she's always kept a down-to-earth charm, famously saying, "It costs a lot of money to look this cheap." But beyond the glitz, the most enduring part of Dolly's life has been her love story with her late husband, Carl Dean. The two met in 1964 outside a Nashville laundromat when she was just 18 and he was 21. Carl, a quiet and private man, was instantly drawn to Dolly's sparkling personality, and they married 2 years later in a small ceremony with only her mother as a witness. Unlike Dolly, Carl stayed away from the spotlight, running a successful asphalt business while she built her empire. Their love lasted for nearly 60 years, a rare feat in Hollywood, and despite Carl's reluctance to be in the public eye, Dolly always spoke of him as her rock, her best friend, and the love of her life. Sadly, on March 3, 2025, Carl Dean passed away at the age of 82 after a long battle with heart disease. Dolly, now 79, has spoken about the pain of losing the man she built her life with, sharing heartfelt memories of their quiet moments together, whether it was sitting on their porch, listening to old records, or taking scenic drives through Tennessee. To honor his memory, she released a deeply personal song titled "If You Hadn't Been There," a tribute to the man who stood by her side through it all. The lyrics, filled with love and longing, capture the essence of their devotion. And in a tearful interview, Dolly admitted that writing the song helped her cope with the immense loss. Despite the heartbreak, Dolly continues to live the lavish lifestyle they shared, surrounded by the wealth they built together. Her days are still filled with music, philanthropy, and keeping Carl's memory alive. Whether she's performing at sold-out arenas, expanding her empire, or giving millions to charity, one thing is certain: Dolly Parton's legacy is far from over. So what do you think about Dolly's incredible life? Let us know in the comments. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more deep dives into the lives of music legends.